Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook business page. First of all, log into Facebook. To create a Facebook page, you'll need a personal Facebook account. If you don't have one, sign up for a new account. Check the left side menu bar and click on Sell All submenu. Now, scroll down. Click on this Pages section for Create a New Page. Here, you will find a button called Create New Page. Simply click this button for your new page. Now, choose a suitable name for your Facebook page. When choosing a name for your page, it's important to keep a few things in mind. The name should be relevant to your business or organization. The name should be easy to remember. The name should be unique. You can check to see if a name is available by entering it in the Create Page field. If the name is available, you'll see a green check mark next to it. If the name is not available, you'll see a red X next to it. Selecting a category for your page. When selecting a category for your page, it's important to choose one that accurately reflects your business or organization. This will help people find your page when they search for businesses or organizations like yours. You can choose from a variety of categories, including businesses and organizations, brands and products, entertainment, government, and politics, news, and media, sports, and recreation, nonprofits. Filling out the basic information section. The basic information section includes your website, contact information, and location. This information is important for people who want to learn more about your business or organization and contact you. When filling out the basic information section, be sure to include accurate and up-to-date information. This will help people find your page and get in touch with you. Here are some additional tips for providing Facebook basic information. Make sure your location address is accurate and up-to-date. Use a phone number that is easy to remember and that people can reach you at during business hours. If you have multiple locations, you can add them all to your page. You can also add your website, email address, and other contact information to the Contact Information section. Once you have provided your basic information, Facebook will verify it before it is displayed on your page. This process can take a few days, but it is important to make sure that your information is accurate so that people can find and contact you. Adding a profile picture and a cover photo. Your profile picture and cover photo are the first things people will see when they visit your page. It's important to choose images that are high quality and relevant to your business or organization. Your profile picture should be a square image that is at least 180 x 180 pixels in size. Your cover photo should be a rectangular image that is at least 820 x 312 pixels in size. And that's a wrap for today's video. Don't worry, in next video, I will show how can you create a good quality Facebook profile and cover photo within a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech content.